Welcome back to Autocar 024. The 2025 Toyota continues its downward spiral in terms of design, performance, and overall appeal. Starting with the exterior, the sedan now looks increasingly uninspired, with a design that feels like it's stuck in the past. While Toyota has tried to give the car some modern touches, like sleeker headlights and a slightly more aggressive grille, it's hard to ignore the fact that the car lacks the bold, innovative styling of its competitors. The overall shape remains flat and unexciting, failing to stand out in a crowded market. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Toyota sedan doesn't impress much either. Under the hood, the car still relies on the same standard engine choices as previous models, which are increasingly underwhelming in comparison to what other manufacturers offer. The base engine feels sluggish, and while there is an option for a more powerful variant, it's nothing to get excited about. The driving experience is rather dull, with minimal road feedback and a lack of engaging dynamics that car enthusiasts would expect. Toyota has made an attempt to tweak the suspension for a smoother ride, but that only results in a lack of excitement behind the wheel. The interior, while spacious, continues to disappoint with its dated design and cheap materials. Although Toyota has equipped the 2025 model with a larger touchscreen and added some tech features, the overall quality of the interior feels like it's from a car that's several years old. The seating is comfortable but lacks any sense of luxury or refinement. If you're looking for a modern, upscale interior, this Toyota misses the mark. The infotainment system is easy to use but still lags behind some competitors that offer more intuitive setups. As for pricing, Toyota has kept the 2025 sedan relatively affordable compared to other mid-size sedans, but even at its price point, it doesn't feel like you're getting the value you would expect. With competition from brands offering better performance, design, and technology, the Toyota sedan continues to fall short. Overall, while the 2025 model may appeal to those loyal to the brand or those looking for a basic commuter car, it's clear that Toyota is struggling to keep up with the ever-evolving automotive landscape. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more new latest cars model. Thank you.